Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the corner to corner spider stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, single crochet stitch, single crochet decrease, and be familiar with the spider stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. To start row 1, make 4 chains. Then make 1 single crochet into the 4th chain from your hook or the farthest chain away from your hook. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch, make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and 1 single crochet. Now in this last space over here, see these chains, and then this was a single crochet. So into these chains or this space, make 2 single crochet. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into this first stitch, make a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Skip the next stitch. Into this next one, make a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Then when you're at the end of your row and you have this chain space left over here, make 2 single crochets into that chain space. To start your increase row, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch, make a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Now you're going to be working this single crochet, chain 1, single crochet into previous chain spaces. So here's a stitch, stitch, chain space, and stitch, and then stitch, chain space, and stitch. So you're going to skip over to this next chain space, and you're going to make a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Same thing, skip over to the next chain space, single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet. Then into this last space at the end of our row, you're going to make 2 single crochet. You would now repeat this increase row for how wide you want your square. I'm going to continue on and come back when I'm ready to make my transition row. I ended up making a total of 10 increase rows, and I'm ready to make my transition row. To start your transition row, make 1 chain. Into the first 2 stitches of this row, you're going to make a single crochet decrease. Insert your hook into the first stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have 3 loops. Yarn over, take that yarn through all 3 loops to complete that decrease. Now going across this row until you reach the end. Into any previous chain space, you're going to make that single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. When you reach the end of this row and you only have 1 stitch left, work 1 single crochet by itself to complete this row. So once you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches left. Into those 2 stitches, make that single crochet decrease. And then at the end of your row, you're going to have this little chain right here. Work 1 single crochet into that last chain by itself to complete your decrease row. You would now repeat your decrease row until you reach the last row of your square. You'll know that it is your last row because you'll run out of chain spaces to work into. I'm going to continue on and come back when I'm ready to make my last row. So to start your last row, make 1 chain. You can see that we only have 4 stitches left. We have no chain spaces to work into. So into the first 2 stitches, make that single crochet decrease. Into the last 2 stitches, make that single crochet decrease. Now make 1 single crochet into this last little chain over here like we have been doing. And that's how that is looking. I still want to go ahead and close this up. So make 1 chain, flip your work. So this isn't going to be actually a last row. This is just going to be how to finish up your square. Go ahead and single crochet decrease into the first 2 stitches. Then over here into this last chain, make that single crochet. Make a chain, flip your work again. Then over in this last little chain over here at the end of your row, slip stitch into that last little chain, and that's going to complete your square. And that is going to be how to make the corner to corner spider stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.